Good morning. Today's pre-market news. Even anything and everything around us in distress, the finance minister has called for patience, adding that the currency was undervalued. The rupee, which fell to 66.30 against the dollar, will remain in focus even as geopolitical issues rock the world markets. The war of words regarding Syria could result in some action as early as Thursday. The usual worries that the food security bill would further inflate the fiscal deficit was brushed aside by the finance minister, who was confident that the fiscal deficit of 4.8% of GDP and the absolute number indicated in the budget is a red line and the red line will not be breached. The outlook is a weak start again. The Nifty has neither technical nor psychological levels these days as they all get breached with relative ease. The FNO expiry could cause some swings in certain counters and in turn impact the index. The times are such that quality stocks which have survived so far may be beaten down now. Rural Electrification Corporation is planning to raise Rs 50 billion through issue of tax-free bonds. Meanwhile, resolving the judicial impasse on iron ore and coal mining is one of the 10 steps the government will undertake in the coming weeks. Finance Minister P. Chidambaram's 10-point action plan includes quickening the capex program of PSUs and encouraging exports and manufacturing sector. The opposition is up in arms against the ruling government, accusing the government of paralysis in decision-making and trust deficit. Unguarded liberalization has made the Indian economy speculative, one of the opposition leaders stated even as they challenged the government to call for early elections. Wipro will enter the National Stock Exchange 50-share Nifty index with effect from September 27, while Reliance Infrastructure would exit. Investors lost Rs 11.36 lakh crore in national wealth in stocks since January end. The National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange slashed transaction charges for members who register an average daily turnover of Rs 200 crore. Commerce and Industry Minister Anand Sharma said the centre is considering currency swap deals with some key trading partners to stabilize the rupee, which hit a new low of 66.19 against the dollar. The Reserve Bank of India has proposed a comprehensive overhaul of the country's banking structure to increase competition and growth and for further financial inclusion. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We recommend selling IOC September futures below Rs 207 for the target price of Rs 195 with a stop loss placed at Rs 213. Derivative strategy for the day. Long Voltas September future below Rs 65 for the target price of Rs 69 with a stop loss placed at Rs 63. That's all for today. Thank you.